and in this scale tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play the E flat scale 1 octave on the bass clarinet. This is one of my favorite scales to play because it goes down a half step lower than the B flat clarinet and it has that big rich bass clarinet sound. We have in our key signature a B flat, an E flat, and an A flat. The E flat key that we are going to use is going to be on your lower level of keys in your right hand and that bottom key. We are going to have E flat here, and then this F right in here. It's tucked away right there. That's the F you want to use. Go ahead and practice that first to get used to that F. It is your friend. You are going to be using that F more than you think you will. All right, we're on F, and then we lift up that pinky for the G. Then the A flat is that top level of keys, the closest pinky key to you for A flat. Lift up your bottom 3 fingers in your right hand for B flat. Then you have C, D, right here, and E flat on the side right there. It is on your right hand, the side, that bottom key. Going back down, stay on that E flat, lift up your side of your index finger in your right hand for your D, C, B flat with your index finger right there in the front for the right hand, A flat from before, G, that tricky little F that's hidden in the forest of keys on the left hand side, and E flat at the bottom. Thanks for watching. Comments, questions, post them below. Don't forget to subscribe by hitting that clarinet hand icon over there, and happy clarinetting.